Hey Lob, how'd you go with that awning bracket?
All done, and it's back on your car.
And you made sure you welded it vertical up, yeah?
Yep, sure did.
Good, I want it extra strong this time because the bloody thing keeps breaking.
Yeah, don't stress. I actually learned a better way to weld it.
I don't have time to question that. I just hope the bloody thing holds.
Who invented vertical ups anyway?
Still tastes the flavour.
Who said vertical up is hard? I think we get a lot out of it.
Ah, the serenity.
Oh, why are my ears burning?